हाय। वेलकम बैक विद अहमद। और इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि यूवी क्या है और वाई यू शुड यूज़ इट। तो पहले हम बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं। यूवी एक पाइथन का पैकेज और प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट का टूल है, ठीक है, जो कि रस्ट में लिखा हुआ है। अब क्वेश्चन है वाई शुड यू यूज़ इट। सो एज अ डेवलपर दिस is very fast, it will save you a lot of time and it is very efficient, बहुत efficient है ये। और इट्स अ सिंगल टूल जो कि इन सब टूल्स पिप टूल, पिप एक्स और दिस वर्चुअल इन्वायरमेंट और कोंडा को रिप्लेस करके दिस विल बी योर all in one tool. So basically pip does the dependency management, UV will do the dependency management for you. उसके अलावा you will do virtual environments, it will do the virtual environments for you. And let's say you have the project management, you are using Poetry for the project management, so UV will do that for you and it's much faster and it you can move into the, you can define, run the scripts and आप मल्टीपल पाइथन के वर्जन्स को यूज़ कर सकते हो, उनके दरमियान स्विच कर सकते हो एंड इट्स एंड अ लॉट मोर। यू कैन रीड ऑल ऑफ दिस इंफॉर्मेशन हियर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट हाउ टू इंस्टॉल दिस टूल एंड if it's the first time you can use these commands from here for a Mac and Linux, and for Windows you can use this command. But for me I have the Python before, so I will use just the pip. Okay, so I have already installed this tool, so that's why मुझे ये कह रहा है कि it is already installed, but अगर आप it's the first time it will install this tool for you. So that's how you can install the tool. Now the first thing, how to create a project using this tool. So for that I will just use UV help and I have all the commands which are available in this tool. I can run a command or script, I can create a project, I can add dependency, I can remove dependency, I can export log file, I can display the tree, dependency tree, I can create a virtual environment, I can build the Python package. So let's start with the very basic and let's create a project. We will create this project, hello world. And it has created this project for us. और अगर आप इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर देखो तो आपके पास git ignore की फाइल है, आपके पास पाइथन वर्जन है जो कि इस प्रोजेक्ट में यूज़ हो रहा है, और देन आपके इस प्रोजेक्ट की से रिलेटेड जो मेटा फाइल है जिसमें प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो है, एंड देन यू हैव वन मेन स्क्रिप्ट. सो बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग हम क्या करते हैं, हम एक वर्चुअल इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं ताकि आपको अंदाज़ा हो जाए कि इस टूल को यूज़ करते हुए वर्चुअल इन्वायरमेंट कैसे क्रिएट किया जा सकता है. So for that I will use UV env, actually VNV, and I will, जो मेरा virtual environment होगा उसका नाम होगा dev, तो I will use the dev here and that's how it will create this virtual environment for you. Actually I will delete this from here and I will create this virtual inside my project. So first I will move into this project and here I will create my environment. और इसको activate करने के लिए I will copy this command and I will paste it here. I will also put this in my readme file for later use. Okay, so now this is activated. Now I want to run this command. How can I do that? I will do UV run. It's as simple as it is. You are seeing this some of this warning and other stuff, but here is the output from the script. But let's do it again, and this time you will only see this output. So yeah, now let's see how to add dependency using this. So I will do UV add, and let's say I want to add requests, and that's it. You saw how fast this is, कितना ये तेज, कितनी जल्दी से इसने डिपेंडेंसी को डाउनलोड करके ऐड कर दिया. And you can see this dependency here. Let's say I want to add the flask as a dependency. That's it. and that exactly what I was talking about here. It's very fast. So these are some of the basic commands in the UV, and you have seen कि कितना तेज है, कितना it's how quick this is, how efficient this tool is, and you have all the documentation here. You can see all this from the documentation as well. You can see how to install the Python, कैसे आप Python के different versions को install कर सकते हो, ठीक है, and how you can move around them, how you can install and reinstall, and how you can list all the available version of the Python, how you can and run the different sort of scripts, and yeah, and how to use tools, how to working with the project. You can read all this documentation, which is pretty much the same what I have shown you. So that's it for this video. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye.